Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the Dual Drive Luxe and the Ultra Eco. And mind you guys, I've been using both of these pen drives since launch, and SanDisk is now sponsoring me. Again guys, if you all want to purchase both of these pen drives, check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And like I said, I've done a lot of reviews on this SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe, and it is fantastic pen drive guys, and comes with a type C connector, and comes with a metal build too. So in my opinion, this is like the benchmark of pen drives. And again, there is this Eco Ultra, which is made from some recycled plastic, 70% of the recycled material. And I really like the concept guys, and basically both of these pen drives are really awesome. You all can check out the unboxing for both of these particular pen drives on my channel. And I'd been using this for about 3 years, which is like a very long term, and I can say this is one of the fastest pen drive. And if you see, the build quality of both is quite good, so there is no complaint, except the Ultra Eco is made from plastic, whereas the Dual Drive Lux is made from metal. So in this video I'm just going to use the crystal disc mark, and then again do a speed test, and this is how it looks side by side in comparison. And I think the Dual Drive Lux is better looking pen drive, and but I like the color, the green color of the Eco Ultra. So over here, if you see the D drive, it is Dual Drive Lux, and uh, the E drive is the Eco pen drive guys. So I'll just select the D drive first, and that is the Dual Drive Lux, and now I'm going to select the Eco. And this is how it looks guys. I'm using crystal disc mark, and I'm running it simultaneously so that you guys know how much time it takes, and you can compare the speed test. And primarily I'm doing this on the Windows, because most of the users who are using the pen drive, this kind of normal pen drives, might be Windows user. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to do the similar test, or run it again on using something like Black Magic on a Mac. We can do that too. And in my case guys, I think both of these pen drives are fantastic, but as you can see, the read speed, it is quite good. And again, if you all want to buy this particular pen drive, check out the link in the description, because SanDisk is not sponsoring me for this kind of speed test comparison. I'm just doing it of my own interest, because I think most of the all who are buying the pen drive, they just go and check out the label that it is just written like 100 mbps, 150 mbps on the pen drive, and people get literally fooled by the speed, and they think that is the right speed, but that is not true guys. So basically that is the read speed which they mention, but the right speed will vary. As you can see over here on the individual boxing and all, it is different. But a couple of videos which I done in the past, I think the king is in SanDisk is the Dual Drive Lux. Also there are other pen drives from the competitor which are faster than the Dual Drive Lux, but I think for the price it offers the complete package. Also guys, if you like this kind of video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell notification icon. And also follow us on social media at the Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which would help my channel a lot. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you are using and how fast is it. And if you all want, I can just get a review done of any other pen drive. And basically Windows guys, I know on Mac most of the people are waiting for it, but again the Mac's IOs are way faster than majority of the Windows system. And because Mac I think is using USB 4, and something like Thunderbolt and all is available on my present MSI system. So I like to do this test on Windows, because majority of the people who are using pen drive, I guess especially the USB A, are using Windows guys. And as you can see, the read speed is almost 153.74 mbps for the Dual Drive Lux, whereas the read speed is 107.10 for the Eco Ultra. And Eco Ultra in my case is one of the most fantastic build pen drive. I mean, you can just go that plugged into your keychain, and that really gives a very appealing aesthetic. I think it is having that translucent kind of body. You all can check out this in my previous video which I have done, and the complete like unboxing and stuff which I have done for the Ultra Eco. And sometimes it gets confusing because when SanDisk is using this word called as ultra, it usually means faster pen drives. And as you can see, guys, the write speed is 71.31 Mbps for the dual drive Lux, whereas it is 39.59. Again, we'll just wait for this to get completed, and this will roughly give you an estimate how much time it takes to do a speed test, guys. And in my honest opinion, guys, I won't be any biased, so basically for a very affordable price, like you all can go for a 128 GB of the dual drive Lux, because I'm a bit biased towards the dual drive Lux because it's just a metal pen drive, and metal pen drive gets heated, I know, very quickly, and they also get cooled faster because of their metal body. Whereas when you go for a plastic is a bad conductor of it, so you wouldn't feel the pen drive like Ultra Eco as hot or warm, but even the heat dissipation is lesser because of the plastic body. So if you are a person who really likes to show off their pen drives and all, please go with Ultra Eco, because it is really made from, you know, recycled plastic. I think SanDisk have done a great job. It's a great initiative of a correct step towards saving our planet from e-waste, guys, and this is the right way to do it. And if you are an Android user, you know, and you occasionally would like to connect your pen drives to your phone, or if you're even in just in case if you're using a MacBook, there is no type A port. So in that case, guys, one of the reason why I'm biased towards the dual drive Lux, and you all can simply go the to Amazon site, check out the link in the description, and just go to the Amazon site and purchase this dual drive Lux, because it is simply faster, guys. If you can see, even the write speed, maybe this is like around 70 Mbps, and this is around 40, Eco is around 40 Mbps. So in my case, guys, in my test, I think the best pen drives which I have used is the dual drive Lux. And if you are worried about the make, I'll tell you, the one which I got from for dual drive Lux is made in China, and the Ultra Eco is made in Malaysia. So majority of the pen drives you'll get in Malaysia, and this is how it looks for those people who are using Windows, and this is the graph. And let me know in the comments below, guys, which one do you all like, which one do you all think of purchasing it, the dual drive Lux or the Ultra Eco. In my case, guys, I would simply recommend you to buy the dual drive Lux, because it got a additional type C port, which is very useful for newer laptops and Android phones. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel, and let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are thinking of buying it. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.